Hi guys, this is Hamza. I'm a designer at Imagine Art, and I'm recording this tutorial today to show you guys how you can use Imagine Art to create stunning product photos for your products, right? So uh, on Imagine's dashboard, I'm just going to quickly click on this particular tab and open the image generation panel, right? Um, so essentially, what Imagine Art is now capable of doing is that it can take just take a single reference image of your product. Doesn't have to be a very professionally taken photograph, just a clear photograph that may as well be taken from your mobile phone, and you just upload it on the platform, right? So I have an image, a very simple image of a perfume bottle that I've taken from the internet, and you see when I upload it, this particular tab automatically shifts to edit, right? The platform knows that I'm looking to make edits to an image, right? And over here in the model selection, it automatically selects Google Nano Banana, right? All of these models that appear now are mo- are uh, are models that can make edits to your reference images, right? However, in this context where we're particularly looking to generate product photographs, these two models, which is Google Nano Banana and Seedream V4, are the best in this particular regard. So I'm just going to quickly select Seedream V4 Edit, and I'm just going to simply prompt it to place this product in a highly cinematic product short, and I'm going to click enter, right? So what Imagine essentially does now at this point is that it's going to take your very basic images and turn them into product shots, right? Thereby just entirely removing the need for you to conduct um, actual photo shoots, right? Saving you money and time, right? I can also uh, be more creative and perhaps prompt it to place this product in the hands of a beautiful model in a highly cinematic product short, right? Another thing that I'd like to mention is that prompting for these models for with the edit functionality don't require you to write your prompts in a descriptive nature, right? You can use action words, and the model and the platform registers them. What this essentially means is it's like you're talking to someone, like, right, as you would with a chat agent or your photographer, right? Anyways, so these are we have our results now. As you can see, it's maintained those details of our product intact and just placed the product, seamlessly integrated it into these stunning features, right? Notice the reflection, how it's been mirrored perfectly. Similarly over here, another cool thing about these models is the fact that it analyzes your product, right? And it recognizes what sort of a scenario or what sort of a setup would the product look most appealing in, right? Again, over here, we have similar results where the product is placed in the hands of a model, right? Uh, this is one very cool feature. Additionally, you can then click on any of these results that you like. For example, if I like this one, I can click on the variate button, right? This is going to give me four more generations where it's going to give me similar variations with minor differences in this particular image. Perhaps it might change the angle that it's taken from. Perhaps it might change lighting. Perhaps it might change the model, right? So if you feel like so there's a certain direction you want your generations to go in, clicking on variate and getting those generations is a good idea, right? Another cool thing that various brands and various e-commerce stores are doing in this regard, what they would then do is with Imagine is select a picture, a generation that they like, and they would then click on animate, right? So what animate essentially does, it takes you over to the video generation section, right? It takes you over to the video generation section, and takes your image and converts them, your static image, and converts it into uh, a realistic video that showcases your product, right? So, for example, there's a range of models that you can use from, that you can select from. I'm going to click on one 2.2. This is an excellent model and quite efficient on tokens. In fact, it's the cheapest model on the platform. Just going to select this, and I'm going to prompt it to cinematic slow bandwidth gradual rotate, right? What this means is that I want the product to rotate as the camera slowly pans into the product. So I'm going to pause this video now, and when we come back, we're going to review the results that we've gotten. Welcome back, guys. So we have our results now. Uh, as you can see, this is the result that we've gotten from 1.2.2. You can see how uh, it's analyzed the prompt that I've given it, and you know, really given it that rotating motion as well as that cinematic pan that we were looking for. You can also see how it's made that lighting change to turn it into a very exciting video, right? These were the results from 1.2.2. I also used Kling 2.5 Pro, which is another model that we've recently introduced. And you'll also notice it's given us quite an exciting generation. Anyways, uh, this is just one use case of the edit feature. There's just so many compelling use cases, so many exciting things that creators are doing with ImagineArts, with Nano Banana and Seedream V4. Over the next few videos, we'll be talking about them in more detail. And but for now, I hope this video has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing the generations that you guys come up with. Thank you.